Alright, hello and welcome to another What's New Wednesday, which is a very special day for me because I've been looking for this for some time now. So, unboxing. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da! It is a box, inside a box. Alright. So, just get some of this packaging out of the way, which I will keep. This stuff, good for the layout. Not sure if you can see, but yes you can. Look at that. 380 Ton Schnabel Car from Spectrum. Second hand. In an old box that's seen better days. Alright. It is HO scale 380 Ton Schnabel Transformer Car in the North American style. Spectrum Bachmann. So the box is a little bit tatty, but not too bad. Bachmann HO scale 380 ton. I'll leave this on the screen for you for a couple of seconds so you can read it. Grey and black oxide load with black trucks. Be interesting to know when this was made, but I don't know. Alright, it's got a lift up lid. And look, there it is. Oh, what a shame. It's all padded. Oh well, that's it. See you later. No. But yes, the box has definitely seen better days. But that's alright, because I'm after the item that's in the box. Now, I bought it second hand on eBay. Oh, why does it not come out? Okay. Houston, we're having a few issues, technical issues. Let me try from this side. See which side it likes to come out from. That's better. Oh. He's wrapped it round and round and round. So, okay. Take the wrapping off. And there it is. Oh, upside down. There is my new, second-hand, new to me, Schnabel Car. Boop, boop, boop. Now, what have we got here? We've got 2 screws, 2 little clips, and a key thing. Don't know what that's for, but anyway. Alright, so here's the load. It has been weathered by the looks of it. And as I said, I picked it up second hand, so that's the transformer load that has been weathered. Looks like it's a kit by the looks of it. It's yes, I'd say it's a kit because there's no weight in that. That's just a plastic kit that's been put together. There's 2 screws in there. I don't know what they're for. There's no instructions or anything for the kit at all. So that's kind of weird, but oh, maybe that's where the arms of the wagon go, possibly, when it's all together, I'd say. But there's no weight in that. I would say that that would need some weight. It doesn't come off. I can't. No, it's all glued. It's a bit silly because there's no, but it's definitely been weathered. It's got some black and some brown. It's painted brown, but it's got some black bits on it. Alright, so how do I get this out? Very carefully, the man says. Alright, so we pull it out. Oops, 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 oops. Careful. Well, there's a bit of weight in that. Okay, there we go. There's the back end of it. Looks lovely. We've got the arm. Oh, it's got little motors in here and the generators and so forth. Need to get rid of that piece of stuff that's in there. Do not drop this. It is worth a lot of money, Tim. Yes, that's where it what it would be screwing onto that and then they push into it, but it's definitely been weathered. Carefully. Metal trucks. A little bit of dirt on the wheels, not a great deal, but all metal wheels. Those wheels have been changed. That's isolated there, that's not, so that there. So someone's had the wheels off, because those two and that one should be the other way around, because all those are that way. And we've got that and that, yep. So the wheels are not all one way, but anyway, so there's a bit of weight in the bottom there, which is good. The detailing is lovely. Now I'm just going to have a look on this back side. Okay, it says, trying to hold it, KWUX 401, carry 15,000 pounds. So that's the A2, no humping. So yes, looks lovely. I shall carefully put that back. No, I won't. I'll carefully get all of that foam stuff out of there. See, that's the problem, that stuff. It's rubberish. I don't know what it is, but it feels like rubber. So I'll just get rid of all of that. Because it's getting onto the model and everything else. I don't know what it is though, but it's all deteriorating, whatever it is. So I'll just quickly get rid of these. You can see it's everywhere. It's all in this little area. Maybe my fingers might be quicker. Right, seems to have got all of that by the looks of it, I think. Come on, get out, you bloody stuff. Alright, that one, and then carefully lift this one out as well. Come on, out you come. Alright, there we go. And it's got the generator and the motor, or the hand railing on that side's come off. Oops. I'm not going to touch that, but anyway, carefully. All the wheels look alright underneath, yes. So it looks lovely. Alright, so I'll just move that out of the way for the moment. And I'll take that out. Take that out and I'll get rid of all that stuff. Put that back in there. So I would say they're spare screws, but I don't know what those two little pieces are. I don't know. There's no instructions, there's no information anywhere, so it's a shame, but I will. Alright, I'm going to have a quick look at it, but I'm not going to put it on the track. I can put it on the track. I just got to be careful where I put. I'll be back shortly. Okay, so I've managed to put it on the track. That took a while because I moved everything and put everything away while I was getting the oven out, and I can't remember where I put the rank things that you put the carriages on. I don't know where to put it, but anyway, Alright, so here we go. That's third radius. Oops, come on. Oh, my track's dirty. Oh, come on. Woo-woo. Yep, that's just my track. Oh, that looks awesome. Woohoo! I'm right. That's money well spent for me. Money well spent. Love it! Look how far it comes over the track. Definitely can't run two trains at once on that. I know it's not the right loco to pull it, but hey, just what I've got available at the moment. So happy with that. Whoop, whoop. So when I build the new layout, I'll definitely have that set up permanently all the time. Look at that. See how it goes backwards. Alright, not too bad at all. Camera's too close. Oops. Alright, happy with that. So there we go. 380 ton Schnabel Transformer car with a North American style. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, all that sort of stuff. I'll now pull this to bits, take it off the layout, because I'm doing some work in there, which the oven's gone. The cupboard will come down shortly, and then some of that will go. So stay tuned, but I just thought, it just turned up. I bought it on Friday, so I thought I'd show you all. I am so happy. Alright, thanks for watching, and bye for now.